Okay, this is the model number 5 again. So again in this model number 5 also the three views are given. One is top view, front view and right side view. Again, as I told you, the 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 process or the procedure followed in making this model, so depends on the students views. So some student may start from this front view, some student may start with right view, or some from the top view. So you started from any view, but at the end we want this model. So now I'll start with the right view now. Right view means this if you start with the right view, this is the plane. If you start with the front view, this is the plane. If you start with the top view, this is the plane. So three planes, the same three planes are shown in the CATIA V5 by default. So right. So let us start the CATIA. Whenever you start CATIA, as I told you already, it starts by default with product. So you close this product first, then start mechanical design, go to the part design. So if you want to give the part name, you give it, or you just click on OK. So as soon as I click on OK, then again it opens with three planes here. So you select the plane in which you are going to draw the sketch. Now I'm going to select this plane because I'm going to start this from the right side view, right? I'm going to draw this this view first, this view, right? So then again go back to CATIA. I'm selected this plane already, so select this sketch. So now you are entering into the sketcher plane. So again use the profile command. So draw this one now, select like this. So like this. So it means, so you are going to see the same thing in the right view, the same sketch I have drawn it in the plane now. So now give the dimensioning for this now. So this is the dimension, default dimension you need to give first. So now the sketch is completely green. So the green says it is fully constrained or iso constrained. So if the sketch is fully constrained, then your sketch is correct. So other than green color, any color you come across in the sketcher, then you should look back where you did wrong, right? So now you need to change this based on the model drawing. So now this is 30, this is 30, this is 90 is there, this is 20 and 20. Now the dimensions I'm going to change it here. So this is 30, yes, this is also 30, enter 30 and enter. And now this is 90, so enter 90 and enter here. So this is 20, enter. This is also 20, enter now. So this is 60, enter here. So this is a complete sketch. So this sketch is something like this now. So this sketch, if you want to add the material to it, right, if you want to make pad, up to which distance you need to make the pad, so that distance you need to calculate it here, because the 125 distance is given from here to here, but this is 45 is there, but this shape of sketch is up to only this distance. Up to here you need to make it. It means you subtract 125. You subtract 45 from 125, then the left out distance is 80. Means this sketch you make the pad up to 80 distance now. Go back to CATIA again, exit from the sketcher, then select the pad option, then you need to enter the distance as 80, enter here. So this is 80, right? So now this is 80. Again this plane. So this plane means now this is your plane. From this plane, again there is a 45 is there. This 45 is exactly the rectangle here. You need to draw the rectangle on this plane now. So select this plane. Again go to the sketcher now. So in this, now I am going to draw a rectangle like this. You draw anywhere. So later on you can give the dimensions as per the model drawing. So select the dimensioning. So this line and select this line. Right click on the mouse button and select coincidence. So this line must be coincidence with the bottom line. Similarly, select this line and this line, right click and select the coincidence. Similarly, select this one and this line. These two lines must be coincidence. Click on coincidence. Again this line and this line, right click on this, the coincidence, right? So now all the sketch is completely green. It means it is ISO constraint and you are perfectly correct. Then exit from the sketcher and again use the pad option. So total distance, how much distance you need to give? This is 45. So enter 45 here. 45, then enter. So this is your perfect model now, right? So how to rotate and all this? So I'll show you. So click on the rotate option here and click the left mouse button and rotate it like this. Holding the left mouse button and you move here and there, then it will get rotated. And if you want to zoom out, zoom in, click on the plus button, it is zoom in. So if you want to zoom out, click on this, it will be zoom out. So if you want to move here and there, this is a pan, click on this, again the left mouse button, pan here and there. So this is options, right? So now your model is completed. So for this again you need to do the drawing. So to construct the drawing, go to start mechanical design and part design. So sorry, not the part design, go to the start mechanical design drafting here. So press OK. First you need to construct the front view. Select the front view, go to the Windows, part 1. Now I'm going to select this as the front view. From where he has given the front view, this is the front view. Select this plane for the front view now. Select this plane for the front view now. So it is coming in this way, but it is not there what is given in the front view. Front view, it looks like this now. It is not coming like this. So you need to rotate the front view. The options are here. Rotate this like this. Yes, it is the front view. As soon as you get the view, then you click the left side mouse button. So right, for this you need to draw the top view. So to draw the top view, go inside this option. You'll see the projection view. Click on the projection view and click the projection view. So this is the top view. So for this you need to draw the right side view. Means you are seeing it from the right side view. The right side view comes from the left hand side. So select this, keep it on the left hand side. So like this, right? So here you need to give the dimensioning. So how we are going to give the dimensioning? So major dimensions are there on the left right view. The right view you are come across the major dimensions. So these are the dimensions in the left view. So I'm giving it in the left view. So go to the dimensioning, select this. This is the 90. Then select from here to here, it should be 20. And again from here to here, again it is 20 dimensioning, right? Again from this one is how much? 60. Similarly, this dimension is 30 dimension. This is also 30 dimension, right? Now switch off the dimensioning command. Just pull this one down. So now this is your right side view dimensioning, right? And whatever the dimensions are left out here, 45, 125 and 60, only these three dimensions are left out. These three dimensions you are seeing it in the front view. So for the front view you dimension these three dimensions. Double click on the front view to activate it. So the red dotted lines represents this is the active view. So first you make the view active, then you give the dimensioning. Double click on the dimension, and this is of 125. So then this is already given, right? So this one you have to select this. This should be 60 again, because it's given here. It is 60. Only this dimension you need to give. This dimension is 45 dimensioning, right? So 60 is already given in the right side. This you can delete it. So pull this front view at the bottom. So these are the views. So this is a dimensioning now. So now what you want to do is right click on this view, go to properties, then you need to switch off the display view frame. Here also you can right click on this, go to properties, then again you click on display view frame, press OK. Similarly here also right click on this, go to the properties, then you switch off this, right? Then you want to hide this one called the control, click on this, then you can hide both the arrow marks, right? If you want to increase the font size of this, go here, click 5. So now it is increased. So you can observe clearly the drawing of the fifth model.